Y'all, we have got so much stuff to trim. I feel like I'm going to be trimming for the next 24 hours. But that's a very good thing, because it means we've been making lots of stuff. Stuff that's worth keeping. Yay! You and me, babe. You and me, babe. It's just nothing else like you. We're ready to go. Gotta trim. It's drying out on me. So, switching gears, trimming. Well, I wasn't holding it down. I have one of these, so you can hold it down. I wasn't holding it down. That's not good. That's not good. Sorry, Herbert. Losing plates, trimming them is not something I had counted on. But it looks like it might be a thing. Check out all the gradu on that. Are you kidding me? It's just sticking all over the place. I don't know how to control that. Ugh. Yuck. The other thing is my sound tapping thing that works so well on other types of pods does not seem to be working very well on the plates. So I don't know what that's all about. It's a cute little plate. I mean, it's okay. The other thing is, you know, this looks thicker here than this does in here. Oh, look, I cracked it. Alright, well then, we might as well cut this one apart and see what's in there. Alrighty. So this, same thickness as this, but it's pretty even thickness. So the actual trimming of the foot is actually pretty good. It's this that's too thin. Alrighty. With my regular pots, I like to use the actual wheel head itself because it has the grooves in it and you can really see, but I don't know that that's the best practice for plates. But then do I use plastic or do I use wood? I don't know. It does seem to be a good trimming viscosity. Is that the word that I'm looking for? I honestly don't know. Let's try one of these plastic ones. I'm not used to the plastic ones. I don't use the plastic ones while growing. I like the wooden ones better. I mean, I'll use it if I have. I don't have anything personal, but that might be easier to get the gradu off. I don't know. Turns out a brush helps a lot with the gradu, but you have got to stay on top of it. Let's stay on top of the gradu. Now, this plate is stuck down to this wheel, and I'm afraid if I try to get it off, I'll break it. So, I'm just gonna let that dry out and come off as it wants to, I guess. This is what I was afraid of on the wooden bats, but now I'm thinking they're probably a much better solution because they'll soak up the water. I don't know. I do not know. But listen. I didn't trim it as thin on the inside as I did on the outside. But I'm okay with that. Matt. Pretty even. From there to there, it's great. The foot is actually great. It's just that the middle plates, y'all. Plates are challenging. I get it. Herbert will get it. If I don't, Herbert will. I wish these were viable enough to fire and turn into fun earrings or something like that. Oh my gosh. I was ahead on that one too, but a brush can manage the gradu, okay? Just good to know. Good to know. Brush can manage the gradu. Clean up the rim. This one particularly needed a little bit more attention on the rim, whereas the other ones needed more attention right in here. Actually, it looks like this one could probably use a little attention to the interior as well. So, give it attention on the interior as well. But this tool here seems to be doing a much better job. Much better job. It's extremely sharp. Well, extremely. It's not sharp enough to like cut you or anything like that. But you know, I really love the black mud tools trimming tool for mugs and stuff, but different piece of ware, a plate apparently needs a different tool. So don't knock it, man. Just go with it. This one went a lot faster than the others did. Of course, I didn't go deep enough, apparently. After feeling of the pot, I didn't go deep enough. However, I'm glad that I didn't, because it looks a lot better having trimmed that out in the middle rather than having trimmed it off the other side. So, glad I had an opportunity to do that. So, just do a little more. That is one superbly trimmed and perfect little plate. Woo! I like him. He feels really good. Really good. I tell you what, for me, this is the tool. This is the tool right here. The other one is my preferred tool for cups, and who knows for bowls, because I haven't done bowls since I had that tool actually. But the wideness of this foot and what has to be cut out needs one of these. Needs that flat part. I have two of these. One's dull and one is sharper. And the one that you want to use depends on how wet your clay is. But this sharp one, this one's the sharper of the two. That one's working really well for the plate. Now that I'm done with plate. Now that all of my plates are dry. And 2 of them are in this slush bucket. Sad day. Sad day, you gotta put your plates in a slush bucket. That sounded like Pac-Man. 3 out of 5. More than half. More than half. Got it. There's something for that so far. But I tell you what, if you had told me this morning I was going to spend as much time trimming plates today as I have spent trimming plates, I would not have believed you. It took a long time. It took a long time. But, you know, what can you do? What can you do? It's a fantastic plate. I have 3 fantastic plates and they stack and they look great together.